Ever wondered what the best running shoes of 2024 look like? Picture this, a shoe so advanced it promises to redefine the limits of human performance. A footwear marvel that has been the talk of the running world, stirring anticipation and excitement. A creation that has been cooking in the labs of innovation, ready to bring a revolution in running. Yes, the best running shoes of 2024 are finally here. Well, you're in for a treat today. Let's dive right into the amazing features of these running shoes. Look at this sleek outer design. It's not just about aesthetics, it's also about function. The streamlined shape reduces drag, increasing your speed while minimizing effort. The material is top-notch, using a lightweight, durable fabric that's resistant to wear and tear. No matter how often you hit the road, these shoes are built to last. Now let's talk about the real game changers, the unique selling points that set these shoes apart. First, we have the advanced cushioning system. It's not your ordinary foam padding. We're talking about a revolutionary technology that absorbs shock and reduces impact, protecting your joints and ensuring a comfortable ride mile after mile. Next, there's the adaptive fit. These shoes don't just sit on your feet, they mold to them, providing a custom fit that's perfect for you. No more blisters, no more discomfort, just pure tailored support. And let's not forget about breathability. The upper part of the shoe is designed with a mesh fabric, allowing air to circulate freely. This keeps your feet cool and dry even during the most intense runs. All these features work together to enhance your running experience. They make every stride more efficient, every mile more enjoyable. With these shoes, every run is a step into the future. Now let's summarize what makes these shoes the best running shoes of 2024. At the heart of it all is the advanced technology that powers these shoes. The smart sole, equipped with state-of-the-art pressure sensors, adjusts to your unique running style, enhancing your performance and reducing the risk of injury. Next up, the adaptive fit. This isn't your typical shoe fit. Utilizing a blend of cutting-edge materials, these shoes contour to your feet, providing unparalleled comfort and support mile after mile. Finally, let's talk about durability. Crafted from a new-age, resilient material, these shoes are built to last. They withstand the harshest weather, the toughest terrains, and the longest runs, all while maintaining their form and function. All these features make this shoe a game changer for runners. It's not just a shoe, it's a revolution in the running world.